Isn't it a little bit late for you to be roaming the streets? Back to the orphanage, you scamp. 'Tis the dragon's hour.
The dragon was killed years ago, you dumb old man.
Mind your tongue, you disrespectful little bastard. The dragon, she only sleeps after feasting on the dicks of every able-bodied man from the Black Crystal Cliffs of the Terrorwind realm to the barren wasteland that we now know as Satan.
You fool! My father said the Grand King destroyed the dragon during the final stand of the Pentacle Crusades at least a Jubilee ago.
A Jubilee ago? That's what the Grand King wants little shits like you to believe, so you sleep at night and you don't piss your sheep's hides.
You don't know what you're talking about. You're just a foolish, crazy old beggar.
Oh, yeah? Come here! I want you to stare into the charred, scarred vacancy of where my dick used to reside.
You were there.
No. I burned my own dick off making popcorn, but my buddy's dad was there, and he told me this. A wingspan of over 200 horses with teeth as sharp as a jester's tongue and two massive tits with nipples as dry and cracked as a wizard's butthole. Look up at the skies. A silhouette of death. Your dick knows she's coming. There will be nothing left. Village reigned by fire. 3 kingdoms now united. Her appetite for dicks can never be subsided.
Sounds of the Grand King shall take your dick away. Her jagged wings of many tits shall make you rule the day. But do you know how it does? Many don't know why. You can say this mighty dragon, my sucking heart can fly.
Her withers can be smelled from 2 kingdoms over, and they smell like troll shit, which smells like fish, almost exactly like fish. Ah, I could have just said fish. 2,000 brave crusaders. They thought they had her licked. One by one, her mission's done. She came to eat all dicks. No noble men were safe in all of Viking cities. Prick by prick, she ate all dicks. She is the Dragon Titty.
Sounds of the Grand King shall take your dick away. Her jagged wings of many tits shall make you rule the day. But do you know how it does? Many don't know why. You can see this mighty dragon, my sucking heart can cry.
She eats your dicks. You eat your dicks! I guess she doesn't so much eat your dick as she more like incinerates it and it falls off as you flee her flames. This might be a weird thing to say, but I'm gay.
Sounds of the Grand King shall take your dick away. Her jagged wings of many tits shall make you rule the day. But do you know how it does? Many don't know why. You can see this mighty dragon, my sucking heart is dry. Do you know how it does? Many don't know why. You can see this mighty dragon, my sucking heart is dry.
And now you know the full story of Dragon Titties. And you know, I'm sorry about dropping that whole I'm gay thing on you earlier. That's kind of heavy for a young boy and all. We cool, bro?